Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to change wall type. If you want to change wall type, you can double click on the wall and then will be moved into wall specification. Go into wall types option and then you can click on drop down menu in wall type to change your wall. Like example, I will use this brick tick and click OK. Now the wall type will be automatically changed. To change again, you can double click and then go to wall types, click on drop down menu and then you can choose your wall. This is for frame or another interior, or you can use this APS. If you done, you can click OK to change the wall type. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to change wall types. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.